Hey, this is Shay, and in this quick video, I just want to show you some of the results of one of the networks that I use to make money online right now. It's doing some awesome numbers, and I really just want to show you what this thing is doing. And I just want to say and add also, this is usually only something that I keep private for my students to see. And the reason why I do that is to motivate my students, to show them and prove to them that it is still possible to make money online if you know what you are doing. And that's exactly what myself and my team do for my students every single day. And I actually want to talk about how I can do the same thing for you as well. And I'll go over that in just a minute. So right now, I just want to show you the network that I recently just showed a campaign to my students just the other day. So I'm just going to jump in straight here to one of the networks that I use. This is the network that I've been using just to recently show my students what I've been doing. And I have many other networks that I work with as well. This is just one of the ones again that I've recently used to show a campaign to my students, just to, keep them motivated and really push them along, because it really helps them when they see other highly successful campaigns just, churning out. So let me just go through some of the numbers here. Right now it's just defaulted to the current month and up to today. So right now we're in October, and as you can see, today is the 19th. So showing 19 results right there. And as you can see in the graphs right here, this is the revenue. Okay, I'll actually go through the table just below, but this graph's really cool. Just seeing it, jump up on some big days. This is the traffic, the clicks, and this is what I'm getting paid per click. And this is something, again, very unique, something rare, and what not many people do, even still today. So again, this is per click. I'm getting paid on this specific day that I'm hovering here, $7.47 per click. And this is all part of the formula that I teach to make money online. So I'm just going to scroll down and I'll just show you the actual table now of the results in the graph above that I basically just showed you. So this is the breakdown basically. So again, just running through some numbers, 200, 400, 400, 600, 650, 400, 389, 350, 400 again, 500, 708 on that day. That's the 17th right there. Today 500 so far, and I mean today's not even, we're just over halfway of the day, so still more expected for today to come yet. And that's actually all I'm going to show right now. But if you want to know how I am making this money online and exactly what I am doing behind the scenes to make this happen, I am willing to show a few serious people. So that clearly explains that, I'm not willing to show everyone this. I want to work with serious people who honestly want to know how I'm doing this, and they want to follow a formula that will make this happen for themselves. I'm willing to teach anyone who is serious, but you have to take action right now. And to do that, it's just a couple steps. All you have to do first is click the link in the description underneath this video or around this video. Find that and look for the link at the top of the description. Go click that. It's just a quick link to get straight over to my website. And I'm just going to go to my website now as well, just to show you exactly what you will see. So I'm here on my site right now. This is what you will see as well. Click the link in the description. As soon as you land on the page right here on my site, just enter in your best email address right here in the field. Look for the email input field right here. Enter in your best email and then click the button underneath, the Get Instant Access button. As soon as you do that, I will send you an email. Look in your own inbox, your own email address. Go check that email and look for an email shortly after from me. It's going to be a welcome email, and I'm going to put in a bunch of awesome stuff to get you started right now. I'm going to show you some of my campaigns and show you what it takes to start running a campaign just like this, what I just previously showed you. If you never have made any money online, or if you're making, maybe $50 or $100 or so online right now, but, you're looking to get to that next level, I can help you get there. I can show you how to do exactly what I'm doing and even more. So again, take action right now while I still have this available. Just click the link in the description, enter your best email address, click the Get Instant Access button, do it right now. If you have any questions at all, leave a comment on this video or reply to my welcome email. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I look forward to working with you really soon.